today's video, I want to show you something pretty cool, a way for you to earn free Bitcoin passively. And I'm going to expand on this topic a bit because there's a few things that I kind of want to go over to help you get the best results possible with this. But what it is, it's called CryptoTab Browser. It is a web browser that is very similar to Google Chrome, which a lot of you are probably used to using. It literally functions identical to Google Chrome. It's pretty much the same thing. The cool thing about CryptoTab Browser that makes it different from Google Chrome is you can actually earn Bitcoin because it will mine using your computer resources in the background. Now, when I first heard about this, I was skeptical because I didn't want to, mess up my computer by using a web browser because it's using my computer resources to mine for Bitcoin. But then I just kept using it, and I did some research on it, and I actually looked, because I'm a techie, I looked at my computer resources to figure out if it was actually damaging anything, and it really was using not that much CPU power. So if any of you know anything about computers, the CPU is like the brain of your computer, and that is what it's using to mine. So it's not actually mining Bitcoin though, even though you're earning Bitcoin. What it's doing is it's mining a crypto called Monero, and it's converting it into Bitcoin, because you can mine Monero using the CPU. You can't mine Bitcoin using the CPU. So what it does is it mines for Monero and converts it into Bitcoin. So you can earn Bitcoin by simply using your web browser. So, and again, I'll provide links to all this stuff that I talk about to CryptoTab Browser below this video. So that way you can come check it out. It's 100% free. You don't have to pay anything. And I'll show you actually in another video how you can earn commissions by sharing this with other people if that's something you're interested in. But CryptoTab Browser, again, it's basically Google Chrome. I don't really think it's necessary to go through how Google Chrome works if you're probably already using it. But just click on the link, check it out. If you like what you see, go ahead and download it and give it a try. It's passive Bitcoin. So I'm going to just show you what my dashboard looks like, because you will get your dashboard once you download it and link it to your Google account. So this is what my dashboard looks like. I used this in the past. I haven't really done too much on it until recently. I'm just now starting to pick it up a little bit more because I got a faster computer. So definitely is something I'm interested in doing now. But basically, as you can see here, I'm earning some Bitcoin, not a ton, but it's earning Bitcoin in the background. And all I have to do is turn on the miner. Now you can do this on your cell phone as well. It doesn't have to just be on the computer. But I would recommend, if you're going to be mining for cryptocurrency, you probably want something a little faster than your cell phone. If you have a gaming computer like I do, this is probably not a bad idea to let this thing run for a few hours and earn you some passive cryptocurrency if you're not using your computer. Now, right now I got it turned way down just because I'm recording this video. I'll turn it up here in a second just to show you like what my computer output can do. But yours will be different, right? Like right now I'm mining at 3,100-ish hash per second. So today so far I've only earned 23 cents, but I've had this on for maybe about an hour now, and I've only been at this level, so I'm not really earning too much at this moment, but I'll turn it up here in a bit. Here you can see the affiliate earnings. I think that's as of today, if I'm not mistaken. I have 353 people within my mining network, and I'll go over the affiliate section later, but I have 353 people within my mining network. So that's how the affiliate section works. I'll go over that a little bit more. And then over here, I just found out about this and I'm super excited. There's a thing called Cloud Boost. So if your computer is not super fast and you're not getting a lot of hash, you can actually pay for Cloud Boost. So if I click on this and go to unlock, so you can see there's different pricing tiers that you can pay for, and you can actually speed up your hash. So you get more hash, which means you earn more Bitcoin by mining in the background. I paid for the 10x boost because I want to get the maximum amount. It's $21.99 a month. You can do this on 1 device, 3 devices, 5 devices. I'm just doing it on my main computer because it's the fastest. I don't really see the need to pay for all these other devices that I probably won't do it on, because I only probably do this on my main computer because it's faster than any other computer that I have. So you can check that out if you want to boost up your speeds. So I'm just going to show you again. I have a gaming computer. It's a little bit faster than some people's laptops and cell phones. So take this for a grain of salt. But you can see I just boosted it up and it's still turned way down. So if I was to turn this all the way up, you'll see this number is going to increase pretty drastically. Again, faster computer. A lot of people's computers may not operate this way. So this is how you earn by mining. Basically just turn it on. I would say for me, I probably more than likely will only leave this at like 50%, and I'll probably run it for like 6 hours a day just because I do a lot on my computer. I don't want to damage my computer or put too much strain on my computer when I do other things on the computer. Like right now I'm recording a video and doing the mining thing. You probably won't be recording a video and doing mining at the same time, so you don't have anything to worry about. But I may be gaming and mining in the background. I don't want to put too much strain on my computer while doing multiple things at the same time. So I personally will only leave it at 50% if I'm going to be using my computer, and then I may turn it up a little bit more if I'm not using the computer. If I just have it running in the background and I'm, you know, in bed or watching a movie, I may turn it all the way up. But this is just how I'm doing it right now. As you can see, we're at 120,000 hash per second. It was like 130 something hash per second before I did the video, but obviously it's not going to be as high when you're recording, so I'm just going to put that back at 50%. Now the cloud boost. The only thing I didn't like about the cloud boost is it doesn't tell you this until after you pay for it, so I'm going to tell you before you pay for it that it only runs for 3-hour increments. So after 3 hours, the cloud boost will turn off unless you come and turn it back on. So in another video, I'm going to show you a little trick, a little secret trick to keep that from turning off if you want to let your computer or laptop run all day. It's up to you. I'm going to show you a little trick to have it come over here and turn on without you being in front of the computer. Now down here, different social networks that you can share your, or you can join their social media accounts. They're all down here. You can check those out. Down here is your actual referral link. So you can send this to people and earn commissions. And you can create your mining network. Now, you can also import your Google Chrome bookmarks and stuff too. So if you have Google Chrome and you want to just make this your default browser and you want to use this, you can import your Google Chrome or Firefox or Safari or any browser. You can import your bookmarks so you have all your stuff saved. You can have it imported here. Let's see what else. Like I said, you can do it on mobile. You can share your affiliate link and earn crypto daily, and you can do grow your mining network, which I'm going to definitely go into detail and show you guys how to do that. And you can withdraw this to any crypto wallet that you want. So to do a withdrawal, I don't really have much there, but I can try to withdraw. Here you can see I got 88 cents worth of Bitcoin. So if I open up my wallet, let's see. This is one of the wallets that I use. We'll just try to see if we can withdraw and put the Bitcoin in there. Alright, so let's put some Bitcoin in here. Grab your wallet address, your Bitcoin, click withdraw, put your wallet address there, click on max if you want to send all of it. Excuse me. Do the I am not a robot checkbox and then withdraw. And then hit OK. Now, in my experience, it may take a couple hours for you to get that. It just depends on how fast they release, but I'd never have waited more than a day to get my funds. So if you get it, if it takes more than a day, you may want to reach out to support. I've never waited that long to get my funds into my wallet. Sometimes it's even faster than that. But yeah, that's how you withdraw the crypto to your personal software wallet, hard cold storage wallet, wherever you want to put it. But that's how you withdraw it there. Now let's go over to the affiliate section, because I definitely want to talk about this, not just in this video but in another video. I'm not going to go too deep into how it works. It's literally Google Chrome. The only difference is you have this section here where you can earn cryptocurrency and mine. So let's go into the affiliate section here. And there's different levels, right? So you earn different percentages per level. So the goal is to fill up your first level and then teach your people, like I'm showing you, how to do what I'm doing. And I'll show you in another video how to get referrals. So that way you can build your affiliates. The more you build, the more passive commissions you will earn. Let's see if I can find the actual breakdown of the affiliate section. Here it is. So at level 1, you'll get 15% of whatever they are earning. So if they're mining, you're going to get 15% of whatever they're earning. When you get to level 2, you'll get 10%, 5%, 3, 2, 1, and so on and so forth. So as you build your network and get more and more referrals, again, you're going to have to get a lot of referrals, so this isn't something that's going to happen overnight. But it is definitely going to be huge passively long run, because the more referrals you get and the more they mine, the more you'll earn, and so on and so forth. So the goal is to build up your network to earn passive residual Bitcoin every single day without doing anything extra. Like, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is go in here, turn this on, and do a little bit of promotion, which is super quick and easy, that I'll show you how to do in another video. And you can earn passive Bitcoin by simply using a web browser and sharing it with people. You can even get on Facebook and share your affiliate links. So you'll go to links, grab your copy of your URL, and just be like, hey, anybody want to learn how to earn some free Bitcoin by simply using a web browser, basically Google Chrome? Let me know. And then send them this link. If they start mining, you're going to earn commissions. Right now I have 7 active miners. I haven't done too much networking or marketing on this. So I only have 7 active miners at the moment. So what did I earn? 36 cents? Like, that's nothing. So as I keep growing this and putting out videos and doing some advertisements, I will probably get more and more Bitcoin coming in. But I just wanted to show you guys the power in CryptoTab Browser and how much you can actually earn, not just by using the browser and mining on your own, but just by sharing this free browser with other people, how much money you can earn. It's super powerful. So that's all I wanted to cover in CryptoTab Browser. If you have any questions, drop it below in the comments section. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with anybody else you think may be interested in it, or share your own video, help you grow your own stuff. So that way you can help other people earn some Bitcoin in the future by doing basically nothing. So that's it. Again, my name is Ron, and I'll see you in the next video.